What is up, YouTube? Today we are going to be working on Collins C5 here, and we are going to see if it will sound better with muffler delete or not. So the car is a stock 5.7 LS1. It has long tube headers down to cats, X-pipe, and mufflers in the back. As far as what mufflers are actually on the car, we're not 100% what brand, but we're hoping that we can liven it up by taking the mufflers out and eventually finishing it up. But right now, this is going to be just a test run to see how it will sound. This is going to be before we take the mufflers off or anything like that. Start her up. As you can hear, it sounds pretty good already, but we're just hoping to kind of liven it up a little bit, make it a little bit louder and sound a bit more like that. Underneath the setup's obviously long tubes, both sides. We have the cat coming back to an X pipe, and then finally, after it goes over the axles here, both mufflers on each side. It looks like you should be able just to run a kind of one small angle in a pipe and then back to the tips here. But right now we're going to just undo the clamps, remove the mufflers out of the way here, just so that we can kind of see how it sounds and if it's something that we want to do to it. Gravy, that's hot. Ow! Comes right off. Oh. As you can see there,
nothing.
This one's really bad too. Corsa power.
Oh, she's gone.
So you can see they are Corsas, actually, but all that's left now is to get it down so we can actually kind of see how it sounds. Now it's down on the ground, we're gonna find out how it sounds. First start up inside the car. Yeah. It sounds really nice. Drag the rams down with the brake because you slapped the brake. Just go really slow. Oh, slow. Keep going, you're fine. Yeah, you're good. So he's taking it for a test drive to see how he likes it.
So, thoughts?
I think you should keep it. There you have it. The muffler delete on this will probably get done eventually, so stay tuned for that. Let us know what you think. Should keep it with the Corsas, the muffler, or if we should keep the mufflers off of it and just do the tips from there. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, helps me out. We'll see you guys next time.